Hey there, little ones! Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to help you count numbers from 1 to 100. So, let's get started. First, let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! Now, let's move on to the teens. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And there you have it. You're halfway there. Next, let's count from 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, let's move on to the 30s. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. We're getting closer. Let's count from 41 to 50. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 40. And now, let's count from 51 to 60. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We are almost there. Let's count from 61 to 70. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. And now, let's count from 71 to 80. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 70. We are in the home stretch. Let's count from 81 to 90. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. And now, let's count from 91 to 100. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. You did it! Wow! You're a counting champ. I'm so proud of you. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you'll be counting numbers like a pro in no time. Thank you so much for joining us today, little ones. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.